Hi, second grade. This video is for page 277 in the Your Turn practice book, and today we're going to be reading this very short passage called A Baby Mammoth. But remember, before we start, we want to know what genre we're reading. And this is going to be an expository text, expository. So let's remember what expository means. It's informational. It's going to teach us about something. It gives facts and information about a topic, and it might have photos, captions, and maps as text features. Remember, text features are anything that are not the words in the story. Dive Teams, that was our read-along this week, that was an expository text, or last week. All right, let's read together A Baby Mammoth. You're welcome to read aloud, or if you want to follow along on the screen or in your book and listen, that is fine too. A Baby Mammoth. A reindeer herder in Russia found a baby mammoth's body. She was moved to a museum. Scientists from around the world studied the baby. She was sent to Japan for tests. Scientists tried to learn all they could. All right, now let's look at the diagram. There's a map, and it says it's a map of Russia. And this area is labeled as the Yamal Peninsula. Then this part is dark, and there's a line drawn to a mammoth. That's a mammoth. The baby mammoth was discovered in Russia. Now we can answer the question. So let's look at number 1. How do you know this is an expository text? Well, remember, these are the things you find in an expository text. And it has those things, right? It gives facts about, what did it give facts about? A baby mammoth. So you might write, it gives facts about a baby mammoth. Number 2, how did people work as a team when the baby mammoth was discovered? How did they work as a team? Let's look back into the text. Scientists from around the world studied her. So we can just write scientists, that's a big word, around the world. Studied her. It wasn't just one scientist, right? It was a whole team from all around the world, and they all worked together. All right, last question, number 3. Remember, you can always pause if you need more time to look at the screen from the last questions, but I'll also give you a chance at the end and tell you when to pause to see all of the answers. Number 3 says, what information can you learn from the map? Well, take a look at the map. What does it show you? What happened in the map? It shows where the baby was found. The map shows where the baby was found. All right, now you can pause here to see all of the answers on the screen. Once you've finished up 1, 2, and 3, We're all set. Today we read a very short expository text about a mammoth that was discovered, and we answered questions about the text features.